If you are a manufacturer or distributor, you have probably experienced this. You place your order to your suppliers and they can't react time. They don't have the materials ready nor the capacity available, and suddenly your supply chain becomes reactive. Why does this happen? In many cases, suppliers simply don't know what you will need in the future. They only react when the order arrives, and that creates uncertainty. Will there be enough inventory? Will we have enough capacity? Will our suppliers' orders arrive on time? The key question is, are you really collaborating with your suppliers by sharing your supply forecasts? Many companies don't, and they find their supply chain isn't responsive when it's already too late. But don't worry, this is where DDMRP Simulations come in. They let you test different scenarios before applying them into a real supply chain and analyze results clearly. It's like planning a long road trip. Before you start driving, you need to know how much fuel do you need and where to stop, avoiding getting stranded halfway. When we talk about supply planning, we are talking about something critical: coordinating raw materials, production, distribution, and sales to balance supply and demand. To make it work, we combine two key pieces: the demand planning, estimating which products we will sell in the future, and the inventory planning, defining how much stock to keep and how often to replenish it. From these two pieces, the supply plan is built, and this is where shared visibility makes the difference. Both your company and your suppliers need to know what's coming next so they can be prepared and react on time. For example, imagine for a moment that your company plans to grow at 30% the next year. The question is no longer whether you will sell more, but is your supply chain ready for that growth? Simulations allow you to evaluate the scenarios before they happen, compare different buffer configurations, analyze global KPIs like average inventory investment, service levels, or required capital, even look back and simulate how your supply chain would have performed the last year with a different setup. The result: a more stable, predictable, and coordinated supply chain that reduces risk, improves services, and optimizes inventory. Because in an unpredictable environment, the most efficient companies don't just react fast. They test their decisions before putting them into action. And that's exactly what DDMRP Simulations makes possible. At ForgeFlow, we bring these capabilities to do. We help manufacturers and distributors to simulate their planning, anticipate the demand, and share critical information to their suppliers before they're making decisions. Discover how to plan better, reduce risk, and optimize your inventory at ForgeFlow.cloud. See you in the next video.